Squeaky clean.
You are now ready for Conditioning 101, back to the basics. We're going to start with a deep conditioner. A deep conditioner really helps the health of your hair, and it helps to infuse moisture in your hair. Since we have shampooed our hair in sections, we're going to just add deep conditioner a couple of pumps to each twist. So I'm not taking the twist down, I'm just adding twist to my saturated hair, and I'm squeezing it into each section, into each twist, so that it can be distributed throughout that twist. And then I'm just going in with a Bantu knot just to ensure that that moisture is trapped into each section. So squeezing it into the hydrated section and twisting it into a Bantu knot. My hair is freshly shampooed. It is clear of previous product buildup. I am adding this deep conditioner to hydrated hair, to saturated hair. And if I have a section that doesn't feel as wet, I can just add more water. For the back section, I'm going to add more water because it feels a little bit dry, and I want to just make sure that I keep it hydrated. So in between each stage, each section, you can add more water as needed, and only you will know when your hair needs more water. The more you do your own hair, the more you are in tune to what your hair needs based on your hair properties. So once you have every section conditioned, you can then add your plastic cap and go under the hooded dryer for about 10 or 15 minutes to infuse that moisture into your hair. Ta-da! You're all finished. Now we can simply rinse out the deep conditioner from every section of our hair, from every twist in our hair, and you want to make sure that it's rinsed out thoroughly. So I'm going in with warm water to ensure that every section of my hair, every twist of my hair has the deep conditioner rinsed out thoroughly. And of course, since I have my hair in sections, it makes it easier to get in between every area of my hair, of my high density hair, to ensure that I get all of the deep conditioner out from every section. This could help you as well, especially if you have high density hair. Once we have everything rinsed out, we can go in with our conditioning and detangling. We're adding conditioner to our hair just so that we can easily detangle our hair. So I'm separating each section so that I can add a bit of conditioner on that section. And I'm going to work the conditioner in from roots to tip, making sure that my hair is still stretched back out, and making sure that each section is hydrated before I go back in with the detangle brush. So once I'm back in with the detangle brush, I still start at the ends of my hair and work my way up to the roots of my hair. But since I have detangled during pre-poo, this is much easier and I have considerably less tangles in my hair. So it doesn't take me nearly as much time to detangle my hair with this conditioner because I've already detangled my hair during pre-poo, and it reduces shed hair significantly. So I'm going to go through each twist of my hair and I'm going to add the conditioner and I'm going to detangle it again. But this detangle is considerably shortened and considerably easier since we've already done this during pre-poo. Doing all of my steps in the shower, it allows me to know exactly where all of the product is going to land. If my product is flying all over the place, I don't have to wonder where it is. It is contained within these four walls and sometimes just flinging on my face. Take a look at it. Whoops. But that's okay, because I'm in my shower and it's much easier to clean up your shower walls than just the walls of your bathroom if you're doing your hair out of the shower. That works for me. You can do whatever works for you. And don't forget to add water to each section as you go, especially if you feel that your water has evaporated from your hair. If you feel that your section is not as saturated, if you squish your section in your hand and you don't hear water, add more water to that section, because if you're using water soluble products, water helps to spread your product and distribute it even better throughout your hair. I'm using Curl Mix, and Curl Mix botanical products are water based. So the products are water soluble and they work much easier on saturated hair. If you are wearing a wash and go style where you're adding a part, this is the time that you might find it easier to clean up your parts. I do start with the clips in my hair to help with pre-sectioning, but when I have the conditioner in my hair, that's the time where I clean up my parts if necessary. So having the conditioner in my hair allows my hair to easily slip and to pull apart. Since my hair is very coily, it tends to coil together and group together. But when I have conditioner on my hair, it easily glides, which of course helps in the detangling process. But it also easily glides when I want to section my hair and when I want to create a part. So this is the perfect time for me to go in and clean up my parts. I happen to have two parts for this particular style, just in case I want to wear a part on the left side, or just in case I want to wear a part on the right side. I have options. Once your parting is complete, you can go back in and finish twisting up all of your sections. As you are detangling your hair, once you finish getting your detangle brush all the way through your hair, it is good to go ahead and rake your fingers through your hair, similar to how we did in the pre-poo. So you want to rake your fingers through just to ensure that you have all of those tangles out of your hair. And then, of course, you can section your hair if you're making it into a smaller subsection, and then you can re-twist your hair back up. When you twist your hair, twisting allows your hair to do some pre-clumping so that you can encourage your curls to form before you get to your styling. Yay, our conditioning section is complete. We have twists everywhere. And this is actually the shed hair from our conditioning section. That is great shed hair. Great meaning minimum. It's great for me anyway, especially having tightly coiled, kinky, curly, coily hair. I'm excited. And this is the shed hair from the pre-poo session. For me, that is amazing. For anyone with tightly coiled hair, if you can get through detangling your hair and have only this amount of shed hair, you have made a great accomplishment. So this is the shed hair from pre-poo, and this is the shed hair from our conditioning session, after our conditioning session. Awesome, right? Yay.
You definitely have to be gentle when you are conditioning and detangling your hair. Deep condition at least once a week to keep the moisture in your hair, especially if you have high porosity hair. But everyone needs a good deep condition.